Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Jake G. Basbas. I'm from the National Teachers College, currently third year, taking Bachelor of Physical Education. I'm here now at the Caloocan High School to conduct a survey and interview about school health services here at school. For my first questions, what are the common health problems or issues that students or learners, faculties, and teachers experience here?
Yung mga common health problems that our students, teachers experience in Caloocan High School are headaches, dizziness, or abdominal pain. Yun talaga yung pinaka-common dito lalo sa mga students.
Next po is, how do you manage or address the common health concerns of your learners?
We attended them by giving some first aid treatment, but we usually don't give some medicine kasi hindi proper na magbigay, lalo't hindi naman health professional din kami, so syempre kailangan pa rin ng doktor. So yung mga first aid treatment lang, like giving hot water, hot compress, or some rest.
Next is, what preventive measures are practiced to avoid the spread of illness?
We do health educational talk for them to ma-realize nila kung bakit sila nagkakaganon, like ano ba yung mga pagpupuyat.
What are the biggest challenges po that you face in providing health services?
Our biggest challenges here, usually kasi yung mga accidents na nangyayari dito sa school, especially kapag medyo malala, mahirap mag-transport ng pasyente papuntang ospital.
So how does the school or the Caloocan High School support your initiatives po or this school health programs?
Our principal naman is very supportive pagdating sa mga health problems or health ng mga students namin. So palagi naman silang nakasupport kung ano yung mga needs ng clinic. So they gave naman, especially the admin.
Okay po, so how do you encourage the learners po to participate in health and wellness campaign?
Okay, we encourage students in participating some health wellness, like doing some exercises, participating in our health seminars, health talks.
And for the last question po, what improvements would you like to see in the school health system?
Siguro yung mga gusto namin mga improvements na para sa school health system is ma-realize ng mga students how important is health to their personal life and also sa mga kanilang peer group. So kailangan nilang medyo maging aware sa mga kinakain nila and sa mga pinaggagawa nila.
Thank you po, ma'am. So for additional question po, ma'am, gano'n na po kayo katagal dito sa service po dito sa Caloocan High School?
Almost 18 years, or actually 2008 ako nag-start dito. Siguro mga 18 to 19 years.
And nakikita niyo din po ba na yung pagtaas po ba o pagbaba po ng mga cases when it comes to health po dito sa Caloocan High?
Yung mga later years ay medyo mababa talagang namin patients dito. Pero ngayon after pandemic parang dumami sila. Usually especially yung mga may mental health problems, anxiety, panic attack. Parang dumami sila ngayon. Headache, abdominal.
So lastly question po, ma'am, where's your profession po?
I'm a registered nurse and a licensed teacher.
Thank you po, ma'am. So ano po yung mga mapapayo nyo when it comes to health po na magbibigay ng info sa kanila para hindi po agad, kung kaya po nilang gawin na sa sarili nila, hindi po agad yung pupunta po sa clinic or sa guidance, ganun.
Siguro yung mga maipapayo ko sa kanila, maging sila aware sa kanilang mga nararamdaman and try to do some health first aid muna, and iwasan yung mga alam nilang nagko-cause ng kanilang mga illnesses.
Thank you po, ma'am. So, yun lang po.